And now, so that was fine. Now, the interesting aspect is, why are they useful? So what you can do is, you can use autoencoders to actually perform feature learning. And you can see that when you don't even need labels for these, you can just train using your data, unlabeled data. And the way you will extract features is, once you have trained your autoencoder, you will just discard this decoder because you don't care about reconstruction. All we care about is these 10 values. And what will happen is, given any input image, this encoder will be able to give you these 10 values, which you can use as features for that particular image. Okay. And this kind of like features you can use in a lot of applications. One simple application is, for example, image retrieval. And this is something which you also use for your, let's say, Google image search or Bing image search. The idea here is, we have a lot of images in our database, okay, millions of, billions of, trillions of images. What you can do is, the encoder you have trained, you can actually use that encoder to extract like a feature vector for all these images. Okay. And again, that feature vector, I mean, I showed 10 numbers, but it's up to you. Like, it depends how complex your image is. But still, that will be a lot of compression, right? So instead of saving like trillion of images, if you just use that encoder and save those values, that will reduce like your disk space cost, right? You just have to store those numbers then instead of these images. So how image retrieval will work is, you will have some query image. You will say, okay, Google image, let's find like more images like this. And then what it will do is, it will take this image, take that trained encoder, again, extract those features. And in the backend, it will just try to match those features with all the features which are extracted from these images. And the feature to which it will like, it will give you like the closest distance, then you can just retrieve that image, and that will be your response. Okay, so that's how image retrieval works. And but you can see that it was, once you have that trained autoencoder, it's pretty straightforward, right? And I think this could be a very interesting course project as well, because we have already learned like how to train these classifiers, but you just have to add this decoder part, right? And of course, like you will have one assignment where you have to implement this, but then you can try to extend that to maybe some other problem, for example, image retrieval, right? You can create your own small data set. It could be from any domain, and you can show that how those features are actually working for this problem. So it's not very complicated as well, but I think will be a very good project.